Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to DataTutor. In this video, I'm going to explain how to install a Jupyter notebook using Anaconda. We strongly recommended installing Python and Jupyter using the Anaconda distribution, which includes Python, the Jupyter notebook, and other commonly used packages for scientific computing and data science. So let's start it. So first, download Anaconda software from the Anaconda official website anaconda.com. After downloading the Anaconda, install it by following the instructions given on the download page. We strongly recommended download Anaconda a latest Python 3 version only. So after installing that one, open Anaconda by clicking a start button in Windows 7 if you have installed in Windows. So after clicking on the start button, open up all programs and Anaconda 3 folder. After that, there we have seen a different options: Anaconda Navigator, Anaconda Prompt, Jupyter Notebook, Reset Spyder, Settings Spyder. So if you want to see what are the applications present in the Anaconda Navigator, click on Anaconda Navigator. Otherwise, if you want to open a Jupyter Notebook only, click on a Jupyter Notebook. Once Anaconda Navigator is open, it has a multiple applications like Jupyter Lab, Notebook, Qt console, Spyder, Gluewitch, Orange3, Rstudio, VS Studio. So now if you want to launch a Jupyter notebook, click on a launch button. Once the launch button was clicked, it opens in a browser. So after opening a Jupyter notebook in a new browser, you can start programming a Python applications for a data science. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to get more updates on a data science.